Graham crackers are a popular staple in most pantries. Today we are going to make gluten-free graham crackers on Glutensure. Let's begin. I've used Bob's Red Mill gluten-free flour blend in this recipe. And for wet ingredients, you see how few ingredients we need. So first off, in a large mixing bowl, I'm sieving together my gluten-free flour with baking powder. I just want the baking powder to be mixed uniformly with my flour. And then I'm going to be adding my kosher salt. And now I'm adding in my softened butter. So if you're using table salt, you may want to reduce the quantity further. Make sure that the butter is not melted so that you get the right texture. I'm using a combination of brown sugar and cane sugar for getting that signature golden color. I'm also using a little bit of vanilla extract for a nice delicate flavor. Now I'm just pressing the flour mixture in my hands to check if it is ready for me to start adding milk. I'm going to be adding the milk little by little. I'm not going to be adding all of the milk at once. In total, I used 6 tablespoons of milk. I've used 2% milk, so if you're using a different type of milk, the quantity may vary slightly. What I'm looking for is not for the dough to be sticky, but just so that it comes together as a cohesive mixture. And you'll see in a bit the kind of dough that I'm looking for. So I continue kneading it. See how beautifully the dough has come together. And now I'm just wrapping it in plastic wrap so that I can put it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Now my dough is ready to be rolled into graham crackers. I start by taking a little bit of the dough and I put it on a plastic wrap. Then using my rolling pin, I'm rolling the dough into about 1/8 of an inch of thickness. I'm using a pizza cutter to cut my graham crackers into nice rectangular pieces. For this recipe, I'll get about 40 graham crackers. I'm using a knife to make small incisions on these just for the air to escape. I'm going to be baking my graham crackers for about 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm flipping the graham crackers just so that I can get a nice golden color on both sides. This is completely optional. And now my graham crackers are ready to be taken out. I let the graham crackers cool completely on a wire rack for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'll show you how beautifully crispy they are. You can enjoy these graham crackers for up to 10 days and you can store them in airtight containers at room temperature. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I can't wait to hear from you how your gluten-free graham crackers turned out. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.